Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3, X4, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2018. If you need to find where the thermostat fuses and relays are located, where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Well guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So, before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys. We'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So guys, this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. You have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes, and for many of you, okay, some of those are special fuse boxes, kind of like this one here. If you don't know about them guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3, X4. Check it out, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So guys, the thermostat fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this BMW right here. By the way guys, BMW X3, X4, they're built on the same platform, so it should work for both. And what we need to do first, we need to work in multiple fuse boxes, but the first one, open the passenger door, open the glove box, remove everything out of your glove box, because in the very back you see that cover here, it needs to come out. Press this tab, pull the cover out. Behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys. You practically wasted your money. So all you have to do, check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below, how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. Here guys, which fuses we need to check and relays. In that fuse box just one, then we need to go to 2 more fuse boxes, so altogether 3 of them. In that fuse row right here, fuse number 35, that 15 amp fuse, that's the one that you need to check, that's for engine management. Open the trunk next. Here on the side, that cover will need to be removed. Leave that insulation up. Behind it you have another fuse box. Here you need to check up to 3 fuses. You may not have all of them, it really depends on which model, year and engine you have. But if you have fuse 131, it will be right here, you need to check it, and 132. Also check 143. Most likely the thermostat fuse guys is a place that's completely hidden. Open the hood, by the windshield here you see that cover. It needs to be removed. We'll have a video, it's called BMW X3, X4 fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it will teach you how to remove that cover step by step. You'll get to the brake fluid reservoir and that white box here. In order to open it, remove that clip, and behind it you have that power supply module, integrated power supply module. If you remove it, it looks like this one. If it goes bad, you're supposed to just replace that one, but we'll have a video how to open it. And on the inside you just have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fuses and 3 relays. Those are for engine management. Most likely your thermostat fuse will be one of those that you guys need to check. Relay, you don't have relay. The fuse is known as relay fuse, and the relay function practically it's performed by the engine computer. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping, guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because you have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes, guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well, guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.